Yo, what's up everyone? Hopefully guys and gals are doing alright. 1 second here, I gotta pull up these other chats really quickly before we get started. Oops, I messed it up. No, not that. Alright, I messed it up. Give me a second here. We'll get started. Once I can figure it out. Alright, there we go. We got it working. So we're streaming right now. Hopefully we find at least one more, and then want to see some end of day swings. Hopefully, I gotta pull this up on my other chat too. Yo, what's up everyone? Good to see you guys and gals. Hopefully guys are doing good. Hold on, I'm just getting situated, so once we get situated, we'll go over some plays. Honestly, I want to see if we can catch one on live stream, so give me one moment here. Oh yeah, we're on. Alright, yep, it looks good on my end. Perfect. Alright, now I gotta send like 2 or 3 messages inside the chat, so give me one moment here. I might have to take some shorts soon. These cues here. Alright, I just sent like 2 or 3 notifications. So they should have gotten that. Alright, so this is what I want to see here. So on the cues today, we ended up getting above the wall, but we did not want to finish this move here. And because we built some more consolidation. Honestly, under us, I think these shorts are going to hit here. That 580, under that 581, we get that break. There's empty space here. Yeah, that doesn't look too bad. We got some empty space below us. We get under that 581. There's some more puts there. Yo, Lee, thanks for the rose. Appreciate it, man. All right, hold on. Apple too. Oh my goodness, Apple went crazy. What the world? I got my alert sitting there. If we want to drop, I'll end up taking that. That's fine. Wow. I literally looked at Apple like, seems like it was 5 minutes ago. Hold on, give me one moment here. I gotta send some trades here. All right, cool. Yeah, that look good. Yo, Melrose, what's up? What's up? All right, yeah, we can definitely go over those trades. AMD. All right, I kind of want to see if these Qs can fall too here. All right, not telling anyone to get into anything, so yes, please do your research before doing anything, of course. Right here's that bounce spot, but hopefully what I would like to see is if we can break through it, we got some empty space below us here. So basically, in other words, I want to clear this box, so get outside of this consolidation range here. Yeah, I know you guys and gals heard that too. Right at this wall here. You can see how we bounce perfectly right off of it. I want us to... I want to see if we'll get that drop. See how this counter reacts here. Obviously, it's in a little bit of a range. So this would definitely be the range here. So this is where, if we want to bounce. But I want to see us fall into this empty space. So there's still like a lot of... There's a clear gap here. Yo, count out found, what's up? So right now we're in this potter box. We're in this range, and honestly, I want to tweak these candles up here a bit. I'm still gonna leave that little level up there, but so we're basically balancing back and forth between these two levels. So yes, buyers have that control here. Obviously, not telling you to get into anything. Obviously, we could end up chopping and doing nothing. So yeah, what I would like for us to do is break under that and then go into this empty space. So there's still a chance. Yo, Godfather, what's up, bro? I like this. I personally want this empty space to be filled here. So clean gap up. Just waiting for that to pretty much break through. But if we close inside the box, then personally seeing us going back up to here, this 582 range. So as of right now, buyers have control. So I want to break outside of this box and then hit this empty space below us. So it looks good. There's still a chance. So just waiting on that. Get this break here. See, we broke under and then we retested here. So kind of want to see if we can break it and then have like a retest rejection. We'll see though. As of right now, buyers have that control here, but want to see like a nice close. Got some turbulence around these areas here. Oh, dude, I didn't even pull up the other chat. Oh, man. I'm pretty sure we're live on the other chat here. All right, yeah, we are. We're good. We're good. But I will say, if this ends up chopping, if we don't want to do anything, then I'm going to move on to the next trade. See what happens. I still like this downside, but it looks like we close back in. Like I said, we might end up getting a push up. All right, we just want to, come on, just break and close for us. All right, Apple. Apple looks good. I would definitely swing that. I mean, I'm not gonna lie to you. So, end of day, or if we get a nice little close above. Still watching this one here. So Apple had a crazy move. See that 251? Obviously, we are right at that 256 range. So if we break above that level, I'd like to see this upside. Hopefully we get that to that 260. So that is on my list. Maybe I should get my pin. So give me 1 second. I'm going to get my pin here. So we got a couple good ones. We're going to go over Amazon too as well. All right, 1 second here, guys. Yo, what's up? All right, so yeah, I'm here. So we got some good ones here. All right, Apple. Obviously, Amazon is on my list. We're gonna go over that as well. I just do not want us to range. So if we end up ranging, I don't want to do anything. Hopefully we end up closing on under though. As we're like itching here right now. Ooh, that's looking good. Hopefully we get a close up. We got another 2 minutes left. SPY for today. Yeah, I got you, bro. So SPY. And it'll look pretty much identical here. So obviously you can see what happened at the upside. What I got on SPY is under this 650. So there's a little pocket below us that looks good if we want to continue to drop. That's what I can see there. I'm liking the keys because we're like right here, so might have to like scalp it, especially get that nice little close here. It's just been toying quite a while. I wonder if we'll give it up. All right, watch out for these cues. Let me see. All right, we got to break under this 580.47. $580.47. I think we'll keep on dropping. All right, we got to break this level here. So this is, come on, let's drop, baby. All right, we're close to that first TP here. Like I said, we got to stay under this level here. Dang, that was a fast move. That was real fast. And no, I'm not telling anyone to get in or out of trade, so please do your own research. Obviously, I like to trim up a lot. If you know, you know. All right. Don't want to bounce here. Yo, Milo, what's up, bro? So yeah, we've been wicking right here. All right. We go back into this wall here. There's upside. All right, we're back at this boxer. We're back in this range. Honestly, I could scalp it again. Let me see. Let me see. Let me see how this candle will react here. All right, this is the make it or break it spot. So this looks like how it looked this morning. We ended up breaking under. Obviously, we had a nice little push down. we stay above this 581 range. We could have some empty space above us here. So like how I create it, but I want to see if we could stay under this 580. Tip more of this downside. So it was kind of like IWM today. So we had clear gap down, empty space was above us. Obviously, that was a beautiful move for us. You can see where we posted that one too as well. So you can see what happened there, and then that empty space. So we actually, that box there. So same thing, pretty much. Yo, what's up, everyone? Good to see you guys and gals. All right, I don't want to be stuck in shop. I want us to either go back into this 581.30 and rock it, or we get under this 580 again for that full downside. That's what I can see here. Go ahead and get rid of that. Hold on, let me look at this upside here. So that would be at those 582s. That's if we were back in this box here. Since we're ranging, obviously, yes, there's a lot of empty space under us here that I would like to complete. All just depends on these candles here, depending on how we want to move. Yo, what's up, everyone? Good to see you guys and gals. So yeah, this is what we do every day in the Discord. Obviously, in the Discord, you can see what we did today. Didn't get a chance to post it, but we had a couple of decent moves here. See what a couple other members did inside of the chat here. But yeah, pretty nice day. All right, we close back inside this box. Yo, Countdown Found, thanks for the follow, man. Yo, Lean Speakers, what's up? No, he's speaking right now. Is he live? Dude, bro, he's always speaking. I think we go up to that 582 though. Like, a lot of these trades right now just looks like mostly scalps. Yo, Keem, what's up? Yeah, a lot of these trades are like mostly scalps here. At least right now. We had some decent moves in the morning, though. Obviously, what I would like, so if you're just joining the stream, I do want this full empty space here to this downside, so you can see what we got there. But you can also see You say yeah. Right now we're just chopping right now. Obviously, I still think we may end up getting continuation, but yeah, usually most of our moves happen. So if we end up continuing, I can see up to that 582 range. But most of our moves happen within like the first 1 to 2 hours of market open, and then I would say like the last hour before market closes. All right, we'll see we'll see how this plays out. I want to add an alert here. I'll see that one there too. I think we might hit that upside. All right, so ARM. Let me see here. Let me take a look. I don't know why I have. Let me see here. Yeah, man. Okay. Yeah, we went over this one earlier. I'm 2 days late for this little entry. So, yes, we had this clear gap down here, no consolidation. And, of course, we ended up breaking into this empty space here. As you can see, man, we had a beautiful close. We ended up going up wildly. All I could say is if we hit that final, I got up to that 174. But I'll be honest, I'm not in this trade, obviously. I wish I was a couple days ago, whatever. But yeah, that's what I could see there. Looks good. As for the downside, I mean, of course, there's a little pocket here and then there, but I'm really liking that for us to finish that upside there. So that's under that 147 range. Probably change that color too. All right, we're ranging. Will we actually get a move? I'll put this a little closer. Right there. All right, let me take a look here. All right, so a lot of these trades, what happens right now? Chop mode. Do I want to be in any full ports? Absolutely not. Scalps, yes. Other than that, I'm definitely not going to be full porting anything unless we get some news. As of right now, we're going to go over a couple of these swings as I wait for those alerts to hit either side. So we found Amazon. We also found Apple. What else do we have? So these are honestly my favorite ones of the day. So I honestly might wait until the end of the day for this one, for these ones at least. So I did this one on a nice little 2-hour chart. But yeah, we got a little bit of a pocket here. So you can see that clean, easy gap down here. And yeah, what I would like to see is above that 12 or 212.64 range. We break above that. We got a pocket up to that 216. So it looks good, looks decent. As for right now, that's what I would like to see. We're just inside of this box, so we're literally inside of consolidation right now. I've been waiting for this move for a couple of days now. So yeah, hopefully at the end of the day we get above. So just like these other trades that we had, I didn't get to post what we did today. But yeah, you can see clear gap down, empty space. Want to see if we can break into the empty space and hit that. We got literally the same move. Looks like we're trying to itch up, so that's what I would like to see. And then yeah, you can see what we did today, what a couple other members did on a few of those plays, and yeah, that's it. All right, Amazon looking good. Dang, I don't know. I might have to take an early intraday entry if we can get a close. Dang, that looks so good. 212.64. 216, maybe a little runner up to, let me see. So, of course, I might have to leave a little runner because there's a lot of a pocket here. Damn, that's gonna be wild, bro. So that 212, we gotta move up to that 237. So yeah, there's a lot of empty space above us. Damn, that looks really, really good. So this is on AMZN. Ooh, Amazon looking really, really good. Amazon looking good. Apple, we're like right there. Dang, man. I just hope that it'll give me a chance to swing it. Yo, Waffle. Yep, this definitely is, brother. Shout out Potter. So make sure you give him a follow too as well. That's the bro. But yeah, I use the POTTERBOX strategy, and that's pretty much it. I pretty much live stream every day. So, I'm literally on live like every day. Market open, before market opens, and then last hour for the swings too. Yo, Sky Guy, thanks for liking the stream. I appreciate it. So yeah, 256. I kind of want to see another swing today. I want to break through that consolidation range and then hit that empty space up to this 260. Looks good. Right now we're at seller's control, so I got Amazon and Apple. Those are my favorite ones for the day. Obviously I got a couple more, but you know, I'm gonna have to wait for those. Dang, yeah, we're struggling right now here. It's just struggling to get under. So yeah, on days like this or at times like this, I tend not to, you know, take anything wild. Obviously, I'm just gonna wait for a nice little entry. You can literally tell, you can literally see price action, what it's doing now. So I don't really want to be stuck in anything wild, unless if I'm gonna swing it, of course. If you know, you know. So yeah, those look good, but yeah, literally same little trades, just like all the plays in our Discord. See how we call AMD clear gap down. Had to stay patient. Obviously, we were chopping, and then we got above our line that we needed to break above to target into that empty space. So that's literally it. That's literally all that I look for. And if it works, it works. If it doesn't, you know, that's perfectly fine too as well. All right, hold on. Give me 1 second here, guys. And yes, if you do want to join the Discord, link is in the bio. You can join the free chat, the VIP chat. We got those codes that will be ending today, tomorrow. So yeah, you can see that in the free chat here. End of day is going to be so interesting. RDTI. Ooh, we're at a bounce spot there. So everything's pretty much looking like we're at bounce spots. IONQ, we already did Apple. Let me see Target, and I think we also seen Starbucks too. So Starbucks was another one of these. So Starbucks, let's see here. So we got 3 on our list right now. So 3 clean ones. Yo, Zan, thanks for the follow, man. Appreciate it. So under us, let me see, what is this? S-Bucks. Yeah, this looks good. So yeah, under us we got empty space 91.63. Want to see if we can get that nice little push to this downside. Want a nice candle close under this wall, this box. Looking pretty good there. Right now we're at this bounce spot, so all I would want to see is we can push down to that 86.73. That's what I would like to see. He said next to dude, imagine. Bro, that's freaking wild. Alright, yes, guys and gals, thank you all so much for tuning into the stream. I will be getting off now. I will be back on for my most important live stream is the last hour. So if you do want to join the Discord or my next live stream, join that for free. Same channel, we'll be here. If you do want to join the Discord, link is in the bio. You don't have to join, but yes, those codes will be ending in there. But yes, thank you all so much for tuning in. I'll still be in the Discord, so if you are in the Discord, I'll still be there as we chop. So yes, thank you all so much for tuning in. See you either in the chats or in my next live stream. Have a blessed one.